Are you worried your garden will die in winter? I planted a winter garden 30 days ago using the set and forget method. Here's what happened and honestly, why I wish I started sooner. Hey gardeners, welcome to Grow Green and Live Clean. If you want fresh vegetables all winter with minimal effort, this video will change everything. I'm showing you my exact 30-day winter garden transformation. Day 1. I prepared my raised beds with my secret composting blend. 40% brown materials like dead leaves and cardboard, 30% green materials including kitchen scraps and grass clippings, and 30% aged compost. I mixed in blood meal for nitrogen, bone meal for phosphorus, and kelp meal for potassium. This slow-release organic fertilizer feeds plants for 6 months. I planted cold-hardy kale, spinach, and winter lettuce directly into this nutrient-rich soil. Day 7. Watch the germination. Even with cold nights, my seeds are sprouting. I watered once and covered with a simple frost cloth. Day 15. Look at this growth. The plants are thriving, even though the temperature has dropped all the way to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. I added a second compost layer and honestly, I haven't watered since day 7. Day 30. This is incredible. I actually have baby vegetables that are totally ready to harvest. Zero effort, maximum results. The secret was definitely in the soil preparation, and of course choosing truly cold-hardy varieties. Day 35. I'm harvesting fresh spinach, kale, and lettuce right now. This is what set and forget actually looks like. The method works because I used my proven composting system. If you want more organic gardening success stories like this, hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And hey, comment below and tell me your biggest winter gardening challenge.